Hi visitors and network marketing friends. Welcome to my website. I created CoachCrystal.com shortly after I took coaching courses at Coach U in 2017. Coach U has been around since 1992 and they are a leading global provider of coach training programs. 100% of the faculty are professionally trained, experienced, and certified by the International Coaching Federation, ICF, at the Master's Certified Coach level. As a network marketing coach, I guide people on their network marketing journey. Most people do network marketing every day, but they just don't get paid for it. So you're probably wondering, what do you mean? Well, network marketing is nothing more than simply recommending and promoting what you like. Some people think that word of mouth advertising died back in the 70s, but did you know that 80% of all global sales today are initiated by word-of-mouth advertising, with 92% being friends recommending products and services to their friends, and 70% being total strangers recommending goods and services. Have you ever recommended a good place to eat, a mechanic, an online store, a home meal delivery service, a political party, or a church? Yeah, we all have. How do you feel after you have recommended something? Does it make you feel like a sleazy car salesman or good? You feel good, right? We love sharing what we like. Have you ever told a joke? In a way, isn't that network marketing? You're recommending and promoting the joke. If you don't like the joke, you don't share it. We start recommending and promoting behaviors at age 5. In school, we're saying when you get home, tell mom and dad to buy you this toy, or when you get home, watch this TV show, or when you get home, throw this tantrum or fit, and your mom will give you cookies. So some people have been doing network marketing every day since age 5. We did it yesterday. We did it today. We're going to be doing it tomorrow. We're going to be doing it for the rest of our lives. Did you see the movie Titanic? Was it recommended to you by a friend or a stranger? Did you pay for your ticket or did they let you in for free? When you get in the theater, what's the first thing you see? A whole bunch of snacks, right? Some mouth-watering popcorn, fizzing soda, melt-in-your-mouth M&Ms, rich chocolatey almond joys, all the great treats at value pricing. You say, wow, what a great deal. Maybe I should stock up and take some home. So you buy some snacks, you walk in, you sit down, you watch Titanic for 3.5 long, boring hours with no bathroom break. At the end, you like the movie. You go home. Who is waiting for you when you get home but your lazy brother-in-law? And he is waiting there for a free meal. So you say to your couch potato brother-in-law, man, I just saw this great movie called Titanic. It was wonderful. Celine Dion sings really, really high and everybody drowns at the end. You love it. So your mooching brother-in-law runs down to the theater. Does he pay for a ticket? How much does he pay? Walks inside and goes, oh man, they forgot to feed me again. I didn't get my free meal. So he buys a whole bunch of snacks at value pricing. He sits down, watches the movie, and loves the movie. The next day he's at work at his full-time job, which is wandering aimlessly. So while he's at his full-time job distracting his friends, what's he talking about? Raking leaves in the yard last night or Titanic? He says, man, you gotta go there. You gotta take your family, your friends, your neighbors. You're going to love this movie because Celine Dion sings really, really high and they all drown at the end. So all the neighbors go down that night. Did they have to pay for a ticket? How much did they pay? They go inside and they buy a whole bunch of snacks and they watch the movie. At the end of the month, the movie theater owner says, I made a fortune off these tickets. What a racket. What a money-making machine. I rented out these seats several times a day. It was awesome. But that is not even where I made my big money. Where did I make my big money? Yeah, those value price snacks and treats. It doesn't cost that much for a candy bar. What a deal. I made all this money because of your word-of-mouth advertising, your recommendations and promoting, your network marketing. So thanks a lot. Here's your share of the profits. Here's your network marketing check. No, we didn't get one, did we? But we did the work, right? We recommended and promoted. We did network marketing, but we just didn't get paid for it. So you're probably asking yourself, how do I get paid for it? Check out the free opportunity below this video, and we'll get you started and coach you along the way.